Alright, box stock of the new Durango DEST 210. Just some real basic footage for you to see kind of how it comes out of the box. And try to do this for all of our vehicles because it really represents a better picture, I think, of what to expect than our like cinematic kind of running videos. I'm not saying we're going to stop those, I'm just saying this is some extra. Grass, the track was closed today for renovations, of course. Let's get it trimmed out. Alright, not too bad. First blush, definitely faster than the Mojave I just tested, but I would expect it to be. It's not a 2S lipo. Really quick, really responsive. Just looks awesome out there. Definitely see this being fun at the track. Sorry for the wind. Not much I can do about that, because he's just very fast. See how she does on the grass. I suspect just fine. It's kind of got enough power to overpower whatever needs be. Obviously more at home on the dirt. Maybe not what I would call a basher, but who can really define what a basher is anyway? Got a lot of torque to the back wheels. If you're going to be running on loose stuff, you're going to maybe want something a little more aggressive on the back. In my opinion. Breaks loose pretty regularly, but not horribly. These are the box stock tires too. Text message. See, the handle's pretty good. Definitely, I mean, it's got enough power to get through what you need to. That's for sure. Just a little throttle blip there, and handles the ramp just fine. Shock's probably a little soft. But plenty of power if you're racing in like a stock class too. Ooh, that was my bad, not just real. Just keep the hammer down. This is on 2S. Oh yeah, box stock means no reverse. That's a clear sign of a race setup. Let's try to get a better jump here. Man, really breaks this, but I mean, this is a baseball diamond. Doesn't hate the grass. Doesn't love it, but doesn't hate it. Nice, clean jump there. Even with an off-center launch. Very responsive in the air. Or very behaves well, I'll say. You can definitely take care of your doubles. It's a pretty spongy landing, but you can hear it bottoming out a little bit, so you could increase the shock oil weight a little bit. but I am landing, you know, on flat ground, so that's to be expected. So this is the new Team Durango, ready to run, DEST 210.